We started by rebuilding the Zephyrus identity from the ground up. These new models are even more streamlined, with a visual design that's clean and premium. We wanted to make sure that kept the individual flair that made the previous generation so popular. So we kept the bold slash on the front, which sports a glossy finish and 7 zones of built-in LEDs, and 15 different animated patterns with their own sound effects. You can customize your machines to show off your unique personality. The chassis is 100% aluminum, with metallic matte finish that gives it a durable yet luxurious feel, while allowing us to keep the device thinner and lighter than ever. We have enhanced the entire user experience, from the feel of the keyboard under your fingers to the weight and internal build of the laptop. These new models have larger keycaps, as well as larger speakers that go right up to the edge of the chassis. The touchpad has also been expanded, with a smooth surface that's 16 by 10 aspect ratio to perfectly match the display for an ultra-precise movement. A laptop's hinge directly impacts the overall dimension of the machine. So to keep these devices slim and sleek, we redesigned the hinge from ground up with a stealth design. We actually conceal the hinge inside the laptop's body, making it invincible from outside when the laptop is open. And we did all this while increasing rigidity. The keyboard deck is more durable, meaning you can be confident in your device no matter what you are doing. We made all this possible with new ultra-precise manufacturing techniques. The keyboard deck alone involved a 3 hours CNC milling process, polished to perfection. It all starts with a slab of premium aluminum alloy. Thanks to its high ductility, good welding performance, and particularly beautiful appearance it exhibits after anodizing. We begin cutting with an ultra-fine tool, carving out channels for the keyboard, touchpad, and speakers with ultra-tight tolerance that allows us to lay them edge to edge. After refining and polishing the surface, we can mill out the holes for individual keys. With such exacting tools, we were able to create an ultra-slim gap between each holes, allowing larger keycaps and larger touchpads. Next, a high-speed perforation machine drills holes for the speakers at 100,000 revolutions per minute, allowing for grills that go right to the edge of the machine for a superior audio experience. After sandblasting, more polishing, anodizing, we have our finished products. This process is incredibly time-consuming, but its precision allows us to use the space on the deck as efficiently as possible, so nothing is wasted or compromised. Every inch of this machine feels incredibly sleek and refined, built to be the best of the best. As a finishing touch, we created a new color, Platinum White. It took us 2 years of research and development to produce the premium matte metallic finish we were looking for. It takes the beautiful neat look of our previous Moonlight White design and enhances it with the perfect metallic sheen.